welcome to my YouTube channel, The Performance. Today I'm here with
Emilion,
and we'll be reacting to an amazing performance, The Sound of Silence by The Storm. Believe me, this is really going to be amazing. Let's start with the video. Wow. The stopped.
wow, very nice.
Talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its scenes while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound.
Look at his facial expression.
Wow,
In restless dreams I walked alone,
so disturbed.
narrow streets of cobblestone. Neath the halo of a street lamp, I turned my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound
Of silence. Wow, wow, wow. This is really amazing. You can
Very
tell
amazing.
he was singing with a lot of passion. He was singing with a lot of emotion. I really love the concept of the video. What do you think about this video?
I think it's very nice. The guy was focused with so many emotion, like as if I just love it. I love it. The bass, everything was okay. It was very nice. He was like calm. His voice, everything perfecto.
Wow, this is really gonna be interesting. Let's continue with the video.
And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs and voices never shared. No one dared disturb the sound of silence. Fool said I, you do not know. Silence like a cancer grows.
Wow.
Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my arms and I might reach you.
Wow,
But my words, like silent raindrops, fell and echoed in the wells of silence. And the people bowing to the neon god they made. And the sign flashed out its warning, and the words that it was forming. And the sign said the words on the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls, and whispered in the sound of silence.
Wow.
peaceful silence. Oh wow. Very calm.
Wow, what an amazing performance, what a spectacular performance. You can tell he was singing with a lot of love, he was singing with a lot of passion, he was singing with a lot of emotion. Believe me, we enjoyed every bit of this performance. This is really amazing. What do you think about the video?
Well, I think it's very marvelous. Like the tone, everything was okay, very perfect. Like I can't even explain myself. Like he was perfect, extraordinary. Even the people that joined him, the drummers, it was cool. Everything was perfect, smooth.
Wow, this is really amazing. I really love the concept of the video. I love the way it started. You can tell from the beginning he was singing on a low tune. Gradually he moved into a higher tune, and believe me, this is really amazing. Even his vocal is so on point. His breath control is so amazing that you can feel every word, you can hear every word he's saying, you can hear every tone he's singing on. Believe me, this is really amazing. I would like to hear your comment. What do you like about this performance by The Storm performing The Sound of Silence, and which other of his song would you love us to also listen to and react to? Don't forget, click on the subscribe button, click on the like button. Do have a nice day. Love you. Bye.
Bye.